ChatGPT Masterclass 2026, the complete beginner to expert course. What if I told you that one tool could help you write content, build websites, create business plans, generate marketing campaigns, analyze data, learn new skills, and even help you start a company? That tool is ChatGPT. And over the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to use it like a professional. Not just how to ask questions, not just how to get answers, but how to transform ChatGPT into one of the most powerful productivity tools you've ever used. The reality is that most people use ChatGPT incorrectly. They open it, type a simple question, get an average answer, and then wonder why everyone is talking about how revolutionary it is. The difference between a beginner and a power user isn't the software. It's the way they communicate with the software. And that's exactly what this course is designed to teach. Let's start at the beginning. Chapter 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence assistant created by OpenAI. At its core, ChatGPT is a large language model trained on enormous amounts of information. It can understand instructions, generate text, answer questions, write code, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, and help solve complex problems. Think of ChatGPT as a highly knowledgeable assistant that never sleeps. Need help writing an email? Ask ChatGPT. Need help creating a business plan? Ask ChatGPT. Need help understanding a difficult topic? Ask ChatGPT. Need ideas for YouTube videos, blog posts, advertisements, or products? ChatGPT can help with all of it. But here's the important thing. ChatGPT isn't magic. The quality of its answers depends heavily on the quality of your instructions. That's why learning how to communicate with ChatGPT is the most important skill you'll develop in this course. Chapter 2. Setting up ChatGPT. Getting started is simple. Visit the ChatGPT website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean interface with a message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where every interaction begins. Many beginners think ChatGPT works like Google. It doesn't. Google helps you find information. ChatGPT helps you think, create, analyze, and solve problems. Instead of searching for information, you're having a conversation with an AI assistant. That's a completely different experience. The better your conversation becomes, the better your results become. Chapter 3. The biggest mistake beginners make. Most people ask ChatGPT questions like this. Write a YouTube script. Create a business plan. Help me start a company. These prompts are too vague, and vague instructions produce vague results. Professional users provide context. Instead of saying, write a YouTube script, they say, act as an experienced documentary writer. Create a 10-minute YouTube documentary script about artificial intelligence. The audience is beginners. Use a cinematic storytelling style. Include a powerful hook and strong transitions. Notice the difference. The second prompt gives ChatGPT direction. The more direction you provide, the better the outcome. This single principle can improve your results dramatically. Chapter 4. The 4-part prompt formula. Power users often follow a simple formula. Role, context, task, format. Let's break it down. First comes the role. Tell ChatGPT who it should act as. For example, act as a marketing expert. Act as a software engineer. Act as a YouTube growth strategist. Next comes context. Explain the situation. Tell ChatGPT about your business, audience, goals, or project. Then comes the task. Clearly explain what you want. Finally comes the format. Tell ChatGPT exactly how to structure the answer. This formula alone can make your prompts significantly more powerful. Chapter 5. Using ChatGPT for content creation. One of the most popular uses for ChatGPT is content creation. Content creators use it to generate ideas, outlines, scripts, titles, descriptions, social media posts, and marketing materials. Imagine you're creating a YouTube channel about technology. Instead of spending hours brainstorming video ideas, you could ask generate 50 YouTube video ideas for a technology channel focused on artificial intelligence and productivity. Tools. Within seconds, ChatGPT provides dozens of ideas. Need a script? Ask for one. Need a thumbnail concept? Ask for one. Need SEO keywords? Ask for them. Need social media posts promoting the video? ChatGPT can generate those too. Instead of replacing creativity, ChatGPT accelerates creativity. It helps you move from idea to execution much faster. They use it to write emails, create proposals, develop marketing campaigns, analyze competitors, build customer personas, generate sales copy, create onboarding documents, and improve customer support. Imagine starting a business from scratch. Traditionally, you would need consultants, marketers, writers, and researchers. Today, ChatGPT can assist with many of those tasks. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to create a complete business plan, then ask it to generate a marketing strategy, then ask it to write a landing page, then ask it to create email campaigns, all within the same conversation. This is why entrepreneurs are increasingly integrating ChatGPT into their daily workflows. Chapter 7. Using ChatGPT for learning. One of the most underrated uses of ChatGPT is education. Think about having a private tutor available 24 hours a day. That's essentially what ChatGPT can become. Learning programming? Ask ChatGPT to explain concepts. Learning finance? Ask ChatGPT to simplify difficult topics. Learning a language? Practice conversations with ChatGPT. Preparing for an exam? Create quizzes and study guides. The key advantage is personalization. Unlike traditional educational resources, ChatGPT adapts to your level of understanding. If something is confusing, ask it to explain the topic differently. If something is too simple, ask for a more advanced explanation. It adjusts based on your needs. Chapter 8. Using ChatGPT for productivity. Every day, people spend hours performing repetitive tasks, writing emails, creating reports, organizing information, summarizing meetings, planning projects. ChatGPT can help automate much of this work. Imagine finishing a meeting. Instead of manually creating meeting notes, paste the transcript into ChatGPT and ask for a summary. Need action items? Ask ChatGPT to generate them. Need a professional report? Ask ChatGPT to create one. Need a project plan? Ask ChatGPT to build it. The time savings can be enormous. Many professionals report saving several hours every week simply by integrating ChatGPT into routine workflows. Chapter 9. Advanced ChatGPT techniques. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to think like a power user. One powerful technique is iterative prompting. Instead of expecting perfection from the first response, continue refining the conversation. Ask ChatGPT to improve its answer. Add more detail. Simplify the language. Target a different audience. Create alternative versions. Every refinement improves the result. Another advanced technique is role-based prompting. Ask ChatGPT to think like a consultant, lawyer, marketer, engineer, teacher, or entrepreneur. Different perspectives often produce different insights. This is one of the fastest ways to unlock higher quality outputs. Chapter 10. The future of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is evolving rapidly. Every year, it becomes more capable, more accurate, more useful, and more integrated into everyday workflows. The future isn't just about asking questions. The future is about AI assisting with complex tasks, helping manage projects, generating ideas, analyzing information, and increasing human productivity. People who learn how to use ChatGPT effectively today will have a significant advantage tomorrow because the world is changing. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of education, business, marketing, software development, content creation, and countless other industries. The question is no longer whether AI will influence the future. The question is whether you'll learn how to use it effectively. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools available today. But like any tool, its value depends on the person using it. The people who master prompting, communication, and problem solving will unlock opportunities that others miss. And that journey starts with a single conversation, a single prompt, and a willingness to learn. Welcome to the future of productivity, Welcome to the world of ChatGPT.